SABIA की कहानीशाला।
Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are well. My name is Shweta and today I am going to tell you a very interesting story. The story is all about teamwork and the title of the story is Together We Are Friends. So let's get started. In a jungle lived two good friends, a monkey and an elephant. They have shared a very unique bond of friendship with each other. But you know what happened one day? An unusual and somewhat heated disagreement between the two had broke out. The monkey had told the elephant that it was better to be fast and flexible. But on the other hand, the elephant argued it was much better to be strong. They were not able to resolve their argument. So they went to the wise owl of the jungle and asked him which was better. So the owl pointed to a tall tree far across the river with golden fruit towards the top of its large trunk. He told the monkey and the elephant that once they brought fruit from the tree back to him, only then he would answer their question. They argued that it would be next to impossible to get the fruit, but they agreed to try. As they were journeying, the monkey came upon the bank of river first and realized that the river was too deep and the current too strong to cross. As the elephant reached the river, he told the monkey to jump on his back and they would successfully cross it together. Once they reached the tree, the elephant tried to knock it down with its strength, but the tree being so big. So the monkey jumped on the back of the elephant and climbed the tree and was able to successfully pick the fruit. The monkey then climbed down with the fruit, set back on the elephant's back exactly, and rested the fruit in his monkey's lap. Then they made their journey back to show the wise owl. The owl asked, "Okay, but you have to tell me one thing. Of the two of you, which one brought the fruit to me?" The monkey loudly declared he had, because he was the one who had actually plucked the fruit. The elephant strongly argued he had because without his help, the monkey would have not gotten to the other side of the river. It was at that point that Owl stopped the argument and said, "Each of you have your own abilities and strengths. None of them are more superior than the others. Together they are powerful. Individuals they are weak. Together you have achieved what would have been impossible alone." So that's the story. So children, you have to tell me what you have learned from this story and what is the moral of the story. So the moral of the story is together we are winners. Together we are able to do so many difficult things. Thank you. Hello dear students. So now it's activity time. So let's get started. Here is the first activity. Match the following. As you can see, there are some words on the left and on the right too. So you just have to match it with the right one. So the first is deep. Second is tall. Third is chubby. Fourth is naughty. These words are on the left side. Now the right side is monkey, elephant, tree, and river. Now, have you guys answered these questions? So, for the first deep is river. For tall is tree. Chubby, elephant. Naughty, monkey. Very good. So now, here is the activity number 2, which is true and false. Question number first is, monkey and elephant both are enemies of each other. Second, the title of the story is humble. Third, they both didn't help each other during the task. So now the answer time. For the first one, it's false. For the second, it's false. For third, it's false. Well done, kids. Now, the activity number 3, question and answers. So, the first question is, who won this competition? Question number 2 is, what is the moral of the story? Question number 3 is, who were 2 good friends in the jungle? And fourth one is, how monkey crossed the deep river? So now it's answer time. For the question number 1, both. For question number 2, the moral of the story is that everyone is perfect. If we are working together, then the hardest thing becomes easier. For the question number 3, monkey and elephant were 2 good friends in the jungle. Now the last question. And the answer is, how monkey crossed the deep river with the help of elephant. Well done, kids.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.